Morning everyone. So I will teach you here today xlrd package in Python. This is a very mini projects in Python. So we will learn here how to read the Excel using Python. So before this, we will import xlrd packages and also pandas. Right. So I have teach you already pandas in the previous lecture. So you can prefer that video if you have not preferred that, right? So pandas is a basic packages for the reading and writing the Excel file. So you should have a knowledge about the pandas, right? Now, so we go to implementation code. Now, all of you requested to please open the xlrd package, right? So ideally, please open the ideally page. Now, go to new file. Here I have to save the file Python program xlrd.p. Now, first I will import xlrd package. xlrd is simply basic packages of Excels by which we can read the Excel file which is already given in the path, right? Now I will import pandas. Pandas as a PD is alias of that packages. So we are importing the packages pandas. Now I have given the path is equal to now pd dot read underscore Excel. Now if I am writing the Excel, so I will use pd dot write Excel, otherwise I am using pd dot read underscore Excel. So now I have to choose one Excel folder, right? So I can take any Excel here, right? I can make any Excel file like serial, name of student, roll number, right, branch. This is like Excel sheets, right? Now 1 2 3 4, name of the student X Y Z Q, roll number 1 2 3 4, branch CS mechanical EX IT. Okay, so these are the branches. Now I am saving it book1.xlsx, right? So you can see a book1.xlsx. So now I will save the sheets. So before this I will add double slash. So don't forget it to using double slash. And what is the book1.xlsx format? So now I will copy book1.xlsx format. Now this is okay. Now I have to close this. Now I will print path. So what do you think this will be? This will be executing. Now I will run it. So you can see here the serial number, name of student, roll number, branch 01234. This is the index, and 1234 XYZ, student name, roll number 1234. and run CSME X80. So now you have successfully executed this mini projects using xlrd packages to read out the Excel file. Now you have any query, so please put your query on chat box. I will clear it. Thank you. Thank you for the day. We will see in next video the how to write the Excel. Thank you.